You have to kick toxic people out of your life if you want to become successful. Because being successful is about changing your identity. So you usually from and kind of being a normal person, you don't have the identity to be the person that is earning, let's say, $100,000 per month. So you have to change your identity. And if you have toxic people in your life who is kind of holding you down and making you submissive, then that's holding you in your old identity. And it's hard to be kind of submissive in some situations when you're around those people. And then in other situations where you have to show up as a leader and be the one that is guiding people and showing people the way, and also sometimes challenging them a little bit, like on sales calls and with your team. You can't swift from one identity to another. So either you stay in your old identity with the toxic people who are holding you down, or you kick them out of your life, and then that allows you to grow into that person that is able to be successful, able to be a leader, to earn whatever it is that you want to earn, let's say $100,000 per month or so. So if you're a coach, consultant, or agency and you want high-ticket clients, we can definitely do that for you. So book a call to learn more. Or if you want a completely automated AI backend system that can book in appointments from your existing audience and the email list and followers, then also book a call. Or if you want to be able to close your leads at 30% rate minimum, then I can give you some sales training as well. So book a call to learn more. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.